about your company and how long you've been with Contractor Staffing Source.
I am the Director of Accounting for JLV Construction. We have been with Contractor Staffing Source for off and on for over 3 years.
What does JLV Construction do?
We do custom home building and historical renovations in the New Orleans area.
And how many employees do you have?
Right now we have 15, thanks to your company.
Okay, cool. Tell me what has been your experience with Contractor Staffing Source over the years?
Our experience has been very positive. You have helped us to hire five, I think over the course of the years, 5 very qualified candidates that were just amazing. The staff is very helpful, and the experience of hiring is a pleasant one, if when you can say that.
Well, Katie, tell me a little about before you used Contractor Staffing Source and how you were recruiting, and then how, once you hired them, how that's changed your recruiting efforts.
Before we were using, before I was trying to go on Indeed or ZipRecruiter, and I was uploading the ads and I was scanning through hundreds of some not qualified candidates trying to determine who to hire. And it was very time consuming and it was very frustrating. So once we got on board with Contractor Staffing Source, it was very easy, very quick. We found our person very quickly when we had not previously in our previous efforts.
And the people we've hired for you, how have they worked out?
They have worked out great. I think everybody that we have hired is either still here or they have left on good terms to pursue bigger and better things.
Okay, cool. So last question, what did you like best about working with Contractor Staffing Source, and would you recommend this to other contractors?
I would highly recommend you to other contractors. Hiring is can be very difficult and very tedious. Your company has made it seamless. It has made it easy. The partnership that we have, it makes the process just very smooth.
Well, thank you for your input. I appreciate that, Katie.
You're welcome.